Ripple Edit. When you trim a clip using a click and drag in the timeline, you are performing a ripple edit. This is done with the default select tool and without a keyboard shortcut because ripple is the default trim type. In this timeline, there are multiple clips on the primary storyline that play one after another. Attached to those clips are title clips that are easily identified by the title roll, which is purple. Watch as the end point of this clip is extended. All of the clips to the right are pushed or rippled down the timeline. The titles are moving because they have clip connections to the clips moving on the storyline. With ripple being the default trim type, many Final Cut editors don't specifically say, make that clip shorter from the beginning using a ripple edit. Instead, they usually say, trim the start of that clip. To trim the start, click and drag to the right. This clip is now shorter. To really drive home what is happening, compare the timeline before and after the ripple edit. In addition to this clip being shorter, the ripple edit changed the position in time for every edit after the clip. To perform the same edit without rippling enabled, use the position tool. Notice as the clip is shortened, a gap clip is added to prevent a ripple edit. While some editors connect every clip to the primary storyline to avoid ripple edits, I find it is more valuable to understand how the ripple edit works and use it to speed up your editing workflow. Spend some time practicing the ripple edit by using the select tool to trim clips. Then perform the same edits without rippling by using the position tool and compare the results.